This video will show you how to use our EBSCO Discovery service. Discovery searches all of our databases, ebooks, and online catalog at one time and can be a great place to start your research. To begin searching, start on the library website, library.massasoit.edu. In the Find the Right Resource for You box, you will see the tab that says Search Everything. This is where you can enter in your keywords for your discovery search. Remember to use keywords instead of typing in a question. If you need to find peer-reviewed, academic, or scholarly sources, you can click off this checkbox to just find those results. Once you've entered in your keywords, hit the blue search button. At the top of your search results is a research starter, which provides background information and context on a subject or person. Many searches will have these research starters associated with them. Searches in Discovery typically yield a large number of results. So on the left-hand side of the page, there is a menu of options to limit your search results. These limits include publication date, source type, and subject. The subject option can often give you ideas for how to narrow down your search to make things a little bit more specific. Limits are easy to apply. Just click on the checkbox next to the one that you want to use. Your search results update automatically, and if you decide you no longer want to use that limit, they're easy to take off. Results from Discovery include books, ebooks, and articles. Underneath each title in your search results, you will see an icon that will alert you to what type of source that result is. Discovery has many great tools built in, such as the option to listen to articles and citation tools. You can access those tools by clicking on an article or an ebook to review the full text of that result. Here you will see a full menu of the options that you have. If you need help with your search, type a question into the Chat Now box. This service is available anytime the Brockton Library is open and will connect you with a librarian. If you need assistance with starting your research or searching in Discovery, we are happy to help.